In this video, I will show you how to create a Bluehost account. So I'll leave a link to this page right here down in the description where you can pick one of these deals. So you have Basic, made for a simple website or blog, Choice Plus, which is their recommended plan, which is ideal for multiple sites needing storage, security and backups. They have this one for online stores, so e-commerce tools built in, and they have a pro plan for high traffic, advanced storage, security and backups. Now you can see you can save quite a huge amount of money on any of these plans, so whichever one you want, just go and click choose plan, and then here choose your free domain name. So you will get also a free domain name by signing up through that link that I'll leave down in the description, and then click search for domain. They will then see if it is available. Now if you already have a domain, you can skip this step. And then from here you can see the subtotal. So in this case, for the domain plus an entire year of hosting, it's only $35. So just click continue to check out. You will also get 30-day money-back guarantee. Then here just enter your contact information, and then when you enter account information, so your password as well, and then your billing information, after you do that, you will not only have created your account, you will already have started your hosting as well. So that's how you can create a Bluehost account. Again, I'll leave a link to the page that I started at the beginning of this video down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.